Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Delicious Delights. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for your support. I welcome you with a warm welcome. To all my old subscribers, thank you guys for your continuous support. To all my viewers, thank you guys so much for your support. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make jerk chicken fritters. Yes, guys. Okay? In this bowl, guys, I have the chicken breast, and I already cleaned this chicken breast up and wash it with lime and vinegar. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to season the chicken breast. And I have about 4 pounds of chicken breast here, but I'm not going to be using all of this to make the fritters. Here I have a tablespoon of chicken seasoning that I'm going to be adding to the chicken breast. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to punch some hole in the chicken breast so the season can soak through it properly. And then I'm going to slice the chicken breast. So I'm going to season inside and out. Just like that. Okay. I'm going to be using Jamaican Choice jerk season. And you can use whatever jerk season of your choice and also whatever seasoning of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to go in first with the jerk seasoning. So this is 1 tablespoon, and on each pieces of chicken breast, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon. Okay. Now I will be adding some chicken seasoning. Just gonna sprinkle some chicken seasoning. I have 2 tablespoons of green seasoning that I'm going to be adding to the chicken breast as well. Mrs. Dash, I'm going to sprinkle Mrs. Dash here, followed by black pepper, just a little dash, and I also gonna add some Italian seasoning. Some garlic and herb. After finish applying all the seasoning to the chicken breast, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some barbecue jerk sauce here on the chicken. So I'm gonna add the chicken breast into the pan, and I put my oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to be jerking these chicken breasts for about 20 to 30 minutes. And I will be covering the pan with aluminum foil. So I'm going to jerk the chicken breast for 20 to 30 minutes. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so after 20 minutes of the chicken being in the oven, I'm gonna test the chicken breast now. And the chicken breast is cooked. So all of this juice, I'm gonna pour this juice out into a bowl, and I'm gonna sit back the chicken in the oven for another 10 minutes. So stay tuned and you're gonna see the next process. Okay guys, so I'm gonna prepare the flour for the jerk chicken fritters. So I'm going to be using 2 cups of flour. To the 2 cups of flour, I will be adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'm going to be adding just a little pinch of salt. So I'm going to combine the baking powder and the salt in the flour. Then I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to show you how I'm going to slice the chicken. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut up the chicken breast into small pieces. Okay guys, so this is the chicken breast chopped up fine. So I'm going to show you the next step. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I chopped up half of a small onion, quarter bell pepper, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and 2 stalks of scallion. So this, I am going to add this to the chicken juice that I got from after jerking the chicken breast. So I'm going to add this to the juice. I'm gonna stir it in, and to this I don't need to add any extra spice or flavoring because it already have enough spice in it from the chicken, so I don't need to add anything else to this. To this mixture now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the chicken breast to the mixture. To the mixture, I'm going to be adding the flour in small portions. Okay guys, so this is the batter, and it's not too thick, it's not too loose. This is the texture you want it to be. So let's do a spoon test. Okay. Alright, so that is the texture you want the batter to be. As long as your spoon is standing tall in it, you're good to go. Alright, so we're going to move on to the next step, so come along with me. I'm going to be using coconut oil to fry the jerk chicken fritters. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some oil in the frying pan. And my fire is on medium. Okay guys, I'm about to turn them on the other side. And I fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and remove these ones from the pot. Okay guys, so this is the last batch, so I'm going to remove these from the pan. Then I'm going to plate up and come back and show it to you on a plate. Okay guys, here you have it. Jerk chicken fritters. And I'm gonna taste one for you and tell you how it is. Take a good look guys. They look so delicious. The color is very beautiful. Yes. Try this one. Yes. That's the inside. It's very crunchy on the outside. A nice little crunch going on there. It's nice and soft on the inside. The flavor, it is very flavorful. Tastes so delicious guys, try it out. Remember guys to like the video, and if you're new here and you did not subscribe, please do not leave without subscribing. Touch the notification bell so that you will be notified when I post another video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'm going to see you in another video. Bye guys.